Ready na kayo? Let's go. Let's go, Kuya. There will never be like this girl. She's something else, something magical, something about the way you mesmerize. Just ignore her, look into her eyes, hypnotized. She's the force you can't deny. While they're crazy dancing in the midst of a crazy girl, I can't stop thinking I go crazy, I go crazy. Run away, again. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Nothing but this way. Thinking into her, love will never ever be like this. Sing to her, I know I wanna hide this boy. Everywhere the stars align, something magic happens that's divine. It's easy to her, yeah, I'm into her. I've been nothing but an empty heart, looking for a place to make me feel secure. Come trap cat on the spotlight, yeah, drowning in misery. She found me crazy dancing in the midst of a crazy world. She might be thinking I'm crazy, I'm crazy. Run away, run away. I wanna get away. Oh, crazy, crazy, crazy love will find its way. He's into her. There will never ever be like this girl. They say I'm into her. I don't know how long I this love. The stars align, something magic happens that's divine. They say it's into her. He's into her. Yeah, I'm into her. Into her. Can't stop thinking about her. Can't stop thinking about her. Can't stop thinking about her. Can't stop. Can't stop. Can't stop thinking, I go crazy, run away, run away. I wanna get away. I'm crazy, 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 nothing but it's way. He's into her. Love will never ever be like this girl. They say I'm into her. I don't know like this. Woo! Something magic happens that's divine. They say it's into her. He's into her. Yeah, I'm into her. He's into her. Into her. He's into her. There will never be like this girl. Hey! Grabe, sobrang sarap Thank you so much, Jason, sa makikinig. Grabe, ang sarap kantahin ng acoustic version ng Ising to. Lalo na, ang galing ng ating guitarist, si Kuya. Bata na sa campfire.
Nelson Ocampo.
Nagustuhan niyo ba, Aces?
Wow, pinagsalto.
Grabe, pinagandaan namin yan.
Thank you, Jen Villanueva. Lalo na
Ayan,
ikaw.
gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng ACES na nag-suporta, sa nag-share ng live stream, sa nag-send ng stickers, sa mga nag-dut sa heart.